Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. Happy Friday. We're here again to look at the article about Alina Morse, who invented a new healthy lollipop when she was 11 years old. Today we're going to talk about 3 words, conjunctions, to help us explain our thinking. Let's look at these. We used some of these words when we were saying somebody wanted but so. The words we're going to look at today are because, but, so. Because explains why something is true. But but changes direction. But tells something different. So tells what happened. Let's do an example. For example, I could give the short sentence, school is closed. I want you to expand that sentence by saying, school is closed because. Here's because. Tell why school is closed. Okay, so you could say something like, school is closed because the coronavirus is making people sick. Now we're going to expand that same sentence using but. School is closed, but now tell something different. Maybe something people don't expect when school is closed. Say it out loud. You could say a sentence such as, school is closed, but we can still learn at home. Now think of how to finish this sentence using so. School is closed, so, Say it out loud. You could say something like, school is closed, so we have to watch YouTube to see Mrs. Morell. That's saying what happened from school being closed. So this is how we can use because, but, and so to expand our sentences. Now let's try it with our article. The sentence I'm starting with is, Alina wanted a lollipop. Let's go back to the text and reread part of the text. Then we will come back and expand these sentences. Meet the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. I'd like you to read the part that you can see right now to yourself. Actually, you can stop when you get here to this question mark. Okay, let's read it together. Alina Morse is 11 years old. She already has her own business. Alina invented Zollipops. These are lollipops made without sugar. They keep kids from getting tooth cavities. Alina's lollipops are a success. In 2014, she sold her millionth lollipop. Alina is in the 5th grade. She lives in Michigan. She answered questions about how she invented a yummy, sugar-free candy. What inspired you to create Zollipops? Once I went to the bank with my dad. Someone offered me a lollipop. I love candy. I know it is bad for my teeth, though. I asked my dad, can we make a sucker that is really good for you? Okay, now let's go back. Alina wanted a lollipop. Think about what we just read. Alina wanted a lollipop because, say the whole sentence out loud. You could say, Alina wanted a lollipop. Hang on one second. Sorry, everyone. My son tried to come in and make a special appearance there. So we were trying to figure out why Alina wanted a lollipop. It says in the text, I love candy. So we could write, Alina wanted a lollipop because she loves candy. Let's expand this next sentence. Alina wanted a lollipop, but let's look back in the text. What's the problem with the lollipops? Find it in the text. Here I see it says, I know it, candy, is bad for my teeth. So I can expand my sentence. Alina wanted a lollipop, but say it out loud and finish the sentence. I could write, Alina wanted a lollipop, but candy is bad for teeth. Okay, last one. Alina wanted a lollipop, so let's go figure out what she did. Find it in the text. In the text, I see, Alina invented Zollipops. These are lollipops made without sugar. So, say it out loud and finish the sentence. Alina wanted a lollipop, so I could write, she made lollipops without sugar. And if you had a different answer, but it came from the text, that's good too. So anytime that you have a short sentence and you could expand it by saying more, you can use because, but, or so. We will keep using those in future lessons. Good work today, everybody. Stay safe, keep reading, and I miss you. Have a great weekend. Bye.